Oh no, there's a cat chasing me. Hi guys. Today is my last words. Let me just go invisible for a sec so that she doesn't see me. Okay, she just ran right past me. Soon she's gonna sniff out the truth out of me. But these are my last words. If you are watching me, I'm sorry. You didn't get to taste me. So, these are my real last words. I haven't said this to you yet, but can you please bow down to me? Because I'm the best cook in the world. But I'm gonna be eating. Ow, ow, stop eating me. What are you? Is this a camera? I'm being recorded? What? This is my first time. I think that was a lucky charm eating him. Oh. Well, he's delicious. Too bad you couldn't see, but you could hear him scream out loud. So, yeah. I don't have a sister. I don't have any cousin. No one. It's just me. I'm single. I'm not married yet. Soon I have to be married. Because I need babies. They can eat more things. Wait. There's somebody targeting me. So, yeah. I'm gonna be eating too soon. So, yeah. Bye.